My dear friends, this is Father Juan Solana from Magdala. I'm standing on this beautiful mosaic, the Magdala map. As you can see, is a map of the Galilee at Jesus' time. This is a beautiful piece of art that was made by little stones like this. Little stones that mean nothing alone, but together shape this amazing message. This is the message we want to convey to you at the end of this year 2024. As you well know, 2024 has been a very challenging year for us here in the Holy Land. No pilgrims, no income, no horizon of serenity. It has been very strong, but at the same time we have tried to be a beacon of hope, a highlight of hope, enthusiasm. We want to go on, we want to move on. We cannot stay in lamentation, hopelessness, but we want to move forward. And for this reason, we want to appeal to your generosity, to your commitment, to your desires to help, to support, to move on. From Magdala, in this giving season, we want to bring hope, the good news of the Holy Land, the message from the Gospel, from the Bible, all that work that we are doing to bring together peoples from different denominations, even from different religions. And for that, we need means. Our media center, our programs, and our desire to bring people back to the Holy Land as soon as possible. Please receive this message from the Holy Land. Plenty of gratitude. All the Magdala staff is grateful for you, for your families, for your institutions, because without you, we cannot go on. With you, and all together, like little pieces of stone, but all together we can bring this mosaic. Go on and see all the giving opportunities that are in our Magdala Mosaic, in our web page. Thank you very much for your attention, and let's keep praying together for peace. God bless you.